Tyler from I Bogged the Travel. Today we're out at Stockton Beach. We're going to be doing some recovery track testing. Picked up a new set of Supercheap Auto's Ridge Ryder recovery tracks. So we decided to come out to Stockton. It's been windy, so the sand's soft and fluffy, and we're going to get intensely bogged and see how we go. See how well these tracks pull us out. Normally when we come to Stockton we run 15 psi. Today we went a little bit higher, so we went 18 psi, and that's because we want to get stuck. Of course, you can always dig yourself out with a long-handled shovel, you can always let more air out. There's plenty of different ways to get unstuck on the sand, but today the purpose of us being here and getting stuck is to test out these new boards. This is the spot we've chosen to get bogged. As you can see, it's a bit fluffy. Being winter there will be moisture under the sand, but it's definitely a lot softer than what I was expecting, which is good. It's a good thing because we want to get stuck. We're bogged. That's this side's dug in, and as you can see, we're going to be digging. These are Ridge Ryder's new recovery tracks. 4 ridge design, so on the top, so 3 ridges underneath. They're a bit pliable, a bit flexible. You can see the nodules for traction are square and decent, so I feel that they'll probably last a little bit longer than some. Shovel end, so more of a design like TREDs. Ramp end one end, shovel end the other. So they come with a couple of straps for the boards, which is good. And so if you ever use recovery boards in soft sand or in mud or anything like that, they tend to shoot down and go under the sand, so you've got to dig to find them. We'll start digging out the tyres with them. They actually dig pretty well considering. Like all recovery boards, you can use them as a shovel, but they don't beat a long handle shovel. They're crap to dig with. But if you're limited on space, they make not a bad option. Yeah, little Ridge Ryder recovery tracks are in, set up. The more sand you dig out, the easier it's going to be for you to get out. So as you can see, that's set up under the wheel as far as it can go. As you can see, one tire was there, one tire was there. Through here is where we'll sit on the diff, that's the diff pumpkin. And then this mark around there, that's the spare tire. So really, it was quite bogged. Alright, so there you have it, the Ridge Ryder recovery tracks. Definitely got us out of a tough situation. So like I said, we did intensely bog it. Normally if we started to sink and get stuck like that, we obviously would have stopped. As you see, they definitely pulled the car out of it. The boards did cop a little bit of wear. All recovery boards will though. They're not a last forever item, they're an item that wears out like all recovery gear. Yeah, as far as mid-range options go, they're probably not a bad option of boards.